Hi, we have a question from the chapter Sequences in front of us. So let us go ahead and read the question first. It is given as the nth term of a sequence is an square plus bn. So first we are going to understand what does nth term mean. So if I'm talking about a general sequence, for example, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. I'm going to say that this is my first term where n is 1. 4 is the second term where I'll say that n is 2. 6 is the third term for which n is 3, and so on. So we have understood what nth term means. Now let us go ahead and read the first question here, which says, write down an expression in terms of a and b for the third term. So for the first question, since they are saying it's third term, I can say that the value of n that will be taken is 3. They're talking about the third term. Now, the sequence we have is an square plus bn, where we need to substitute the value of n as 3. So we'll be saying that the third term is a times 3 square plus b times 3, and it can be given as 9a plus 3b. So we have the answer for the first part of the question. The third term will be given as 9a plus 3b. Now moving on to the next part of the question, that is b here. It's given that the third term of the sequence is 21 and the sixth term is 96. Since they have given us the third term, which we have already calculated, I can say that 9a plus 3b is going to be equals to 21. In this particular equation, I can take 3 common and I can make it easier by writing 3a plus b here, which is 21. And after simplifying this, I get 3a plus b is 21 over 3, which will give us 7. So this is the first equation. If you wish, you can continue with the same equation that you have gotten, which is 9a plus 3b, that is 21. Now we are going to apply the second case, that the sixth term is given as 96. So I'll be continuing the b part over here, that n, when it is 6, we can write our sequence as an square, that is a times 6 square, plus b times n, that is b times 6, and it is equals to 96. I'm again going to simplify this to 36a plus 6b, and that is equals to 96. I would be taking 6 common to make this equation simpler. Again, if you wish, you can go ahead with the same equation. Now I'll be taking 6 common. This is 6a plus b, which is equals to 96. And we get 6a plus b as 96 divided by 6, which will give us 16. And we have got ourselves the second linear equation. Equation 1 and equation 2, they are linear equations, a pair of linear equations, which we can solve simultaneously to find the values of a and b as asked in the question. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract the first equation from the second. 2 minus 1 is going to give us 6a plus b is 16. 3a plus b is 7. And after subtraction, this is negative. The sign for b will also become negative. The sign for 7 will also be negative as we are subtracting. So we see that b gets cancelled out. 6a minus 3a is equals to 16 minus 7, which we can say 3a is equals to 9, and we get the value of a as 3. To find the value of b, we can substitute a in the first equation to find b as 3a plus b is 7, and 3 times 3 plus b is 7. We see that b comes out as 7 minus 9 and b is -2. Thank you.